Miss Philippine.
I love it, so good it hurts. I don't want it.
Okay? Miss Shaina, ano ba to? Kais?
Can't find the words that just go.
Happy birthday, Anika. So, stay pretty and fun. More birthdays to come and God bless.
And thank you so much, Miss Shaina. And for our last footwear, Miss Jessa Sangkala.
I can't find the words that just go.
Miss Jessa.
I don't like it. No, I love it. I don't like it. No,
Happy birthday, Anika. God bless always.
And balikan natin si Tita Vane Sanggalang.
the speaker, yeah. I can't find the words that just go. I don't like it.
Happy birthday! Thank you so much po, Madam Vane. Okay, there have it, ladies and gentlemen, our 18 footwear. So, palapakan naman natin, guys. Ayan. Okay, group picture taking kayo kay Anika, syempre. Okay, and meron tayo, nandito na ba? Si Dechi Sales. Okay. Dechi Enriquez. Enrique, eto.
Challenge pala yung kanina.
Happy birthday, Anika, Anika, Anika. I have nothing to say na. Stay pretty.
Okay, and si Cyrene Tumia. Nalito lang ako dun sa
Happy birthday, Anika. Mag-aral ka mabuti.
Ayan, thank you so much, Cyrene.